As an avid film enthusiast, I find immense joy in watching a wide range of movies and sharing my thoughts through reviews and critiques. Every film has a unique story to tell, and delving into the world of cinema is a journey of emotions, storytelling, and artistic expression. One of the genres I particularly enjoy is science fiction. The ability of science fiction films to explore the possibilities of the future and the impact of technology on society is fascinating. I've written reviews on films like Blade Runner and Interstellar, where I discuss the intricate plot lines, stunning visuals, and the philosophical questions they raise. On the other end of the spectrum, I appreciate classic cinema. Films from the golden age of Hollywood, such as Casablanca and Gone with the Wind, hold a special place in my heart. Writing critiques for these timeless classics allows me to analyze their enduring themes, memorable characters, and the cultural significance of the era. In addition to genres, I also delve into foreign cinema. Exploring the works of renowned directors like Akira Kurosawa and Federico Fellini provides a global perspective on storytelling. I share insights on the cultural context, cinematography, and the impact of these films on the international film industry. Film festivals are another arena I've explored. Attending festivals and writing reviews for independent and international films gives me the opportunity to uncover hidden gems. I highlight the unique voices of emerging filmmakers and their contributions to the art of cinema. Writing movie reviews and critiques is not only a hobby but a way to engage with fellow film enthusiasts. It's a platform for discussions, debates, and recommendations. Whether it's analyzing the performances of actors, dissecting the symbolism in a film, or simply sharing the emotional impact of a story, the world of film offers a plethora of topics to explore. My reviews and critiques aim to capture the essence of a film, offering readers a glimpse into the magic of cinema and, perhaps, inspiring them to embark on their cinematic journeys.